Yup mai tie kanen ne, lekelia ye.
Melbet, something you can bet on.
Hajoli magwe kendo podi bedo ko karashel ko TV ibenen wa enike one Alfred akena ko Sara pod wa medra so Alexander Okidi kon debe joining one line kudi gulu kakecha kamiti e sheke wa foyu Melbet musho lo pe program eni majulungia bar pa one luo wa meto shidong straight away to Sekafa under 23 Mono Senior Challenge Cup. They call it Senior Challenge Cup, but again, it's here under 23. So, I don't know, Nenchalo Nying tournament eno makolokere. But however, mole bie kwaso, gitush maber mamana chain, kutjuru tugu mamua me Uganda, gishako training, migi maber magwe, ibar, igende, kabir majulongnya bar, Ethiopia. Then of course, poinia Uganda tugu migi mamira shell, watugu against DRC Congo. Cheyenga ma so our first game nyutu nyawo be maku neighbors mamwa neighbor mamwa tonkwe kuli western side me Uganda so inano jiru tugune gini eni kine magi wo kuli basi going to training mamegi Mirachel. I think players like Gavin Kizito kishaki tiekeni so speculation tie mabeni ya timu tie maber besides Mugulusi and Longa Basangwa ne magibe missing kuli squad Lemango muma kodanu expecting kuri team amwa
Kai luo nyari one na poyo AFCON 2020 kita commentators no yele ke melu nyari one is Mugulusi kede basanga commentator no yele paro lo kani chari eto kai wi nyingi ana tera kare melu nyari ono ichao kene pio kai wiya Kani mugu
Anomi mugulu satiu kere o minere at Sports Club Villa.
Better to hogindi shungi odilo. Ti very sad ni umisi otuhono. So team tio neno is Salim. And I metiki dress.
Salim
Abdallah,
Sports Club Villa.
Yes, team ametieni. I think team about team aber. Jody Shutie Brian Anokene da neno enotie. Aziz Kayondo da chatia neno. I think tiki go to Habesho, Stephen Dese Mukwala, the striker, you are a striker, and then Datikano. So I think Uganda this time, though group group ayot, eto I taken a lot of hope in this team because Otino ni nyoge ni ngwa gintamito. Otino ni is so motivated. And then to Otino ni kiru teko ni to AFCON 20 AFCON under 20. Put at very confident ni team yene a surprising in a job. DRC pobo tima yot tigine kero tuka moya clubs adon tipi Mazembe AS Vita eto ageno ni Uganda motivation na megin kere one qualifying out of the group stage.
Fred for tutual weko nuong Alexander Okidi itieni ning jalmumi ero tuk weightlifting party winyi mabe. Hello Alexander?
Yes.
Ila cho mumi on took weightlifting, wasted talent. Itini ni.
Ana tima be, unko tini.
Watima be ajoli tutual wiyamo I One Luo Television.
Ga for tutual pi jumatika na One Luo TV watika chel kanywa kolokom tuon. Okay,
fine. Uganda defending champions met Sekafa 2019 wati ukikobo enni kanki Uganda kan ma wagoyo Eritrea gola dek witongweno lumot golo enni ubero bright anukani makumbe tiki team Karachiel ki Joel Madondo maturu I Gaddafi Football Club and then watiki nganmuke mu morgol ubero Mustafa Kiza manotu KCCA Football Club kumbeti dongti waro lobo pa America kunu chances siningo mani Uganda tuero decide round ka penetrating DRC Congo mabe.
Pi competi turu sekafa eni sara neno chala oberu tek to twal bot logo Uganda.
All right.
Kau dok merni logo sekafa beru ka logo ne pikar ma laj to twal Uganda gere timo mabe. Entre karma Uganda beru ka timo mabe logo turu sekafa ni uno futpeya ke logo chiet ma competi tikere ni. Piani chiet dong waju ni dong lu turu ma mwa ki pikar pierre wi de ke kena mi dong gutuk sekafa. Man dong du wakulu turu ma ti senior players ma mwa ki kar pierre wi de no mi ko be gena de ke ken. Mai no ne enoni donc tek ma da kilo Uganda piani league wa ma futi la ping e level economy under 23 under 21 ene mami yokar kilo tina matina ma dawne pour petit ma be de 12 kilo Uganda wa ko tour ma genti ka cerni genti ka cerka tour ento squad de petit ma be de 12 kay por ki ket mano yam chon wa senior players ben cerka tour se ka fala bon ayela ci man bi cero kamine wa test ma jetto 12 wan ma chala lo Uganda ker wa ma jullu tour tini ni
Okay.
Ma buchero ka exposing Uganda ilok ma juru luturo ma tika na ka ilok ma kere luturo matiano Tanzania tika tinga ma bay de toile pena league ma meke bena tima tak league ma meke furutu ma tuma by the way ngeni gen furutu yero league tiara luturo ma meke no te fet ma bay unlike Uganda ma corona berka yele wa lok ma turo fitness par turo petit ma bay so level ma kere luturo one wabinna noni gar watie ilok ma producing luturo below the age of 23 ma anem tara lo ko chik eni obodonye jeba for Uganda but total manero petian ma chel defending title eni obingayo wow.
Well, Team Uganda, unfortunately, Chick Manien Mr. Kafa, Matieni Luturo Adeg Mati senior players, Omerugo Bedi team, and where in there, Dana Machalo, Laturo Machalo, Charles Lukwago, make SCA Football Club, Mukwala gi went in the squad in eno gi Kenyu. So Anna did the unitamoni absence for senior players in the team Uganda Pubugere because first of all team Uganda kumetitikulu to Mapol Magu qualifying Karachiel junior league and then also the under 20.
And kama peko na dong tiene no ano chala peko pa senior players in the man pour Burkian ma chel. Ma Uganda tika charka tiro la bon senior players. Quand au maire de Tour qui senior players no ajira pe Uganda Burka dominating tour mais kafa tian bo Paul Carlo Gomo keken ento en madonk la recherche dava obiyele wa matak total ko kombedi piani pere pa senior players obiyele tour pa Uganda ma wabitier wa nero gere kitma muli because so bitimo gere ki under 20 ento man bo berta akmada me meeting Tanzania ka kelki diara Congo group e enoni Carlo ki group ken kong pe bo bero gen ma yot ma ciaro in knockout stages mo kanane now petit year mama Uganda be defending the title and now pobutuare man pour beru a learning point bottle of Uganda mecha ko kelo luturo en ka che go tour tournament mo kenama ti biro ni o be konya wa erkama eni ci foot be of team
akena anuoni a moment anuoni okiri ti little bit controversial team because the team enni good to Karachel for a long time Saidi Kenny Bright Anokani, Julius Poloto, Mono and when Gavin Kizito, Mono Wenchi products of the junior team. And then set of Luturo and Mukene, Guturo Bene even in the under 17, Maguti Ukikobo Pasekafa. Then under 20, Bene Kikan Guturo Mabe. So really, any time in this statement, do you agree with this statement?
Pa yes statement mo kirilogoni.
Yes.
Ti very unfortunate ni pa ye because tubara keneno team yene. Sekafa yata jo tuhucha senior players na major main kobo because senior players am watu kobo utuka mete utia wori this Sekafa obero tuka beringo Uganda Premier League da Sekafa basically na inoka olo tuka mete within the local league kweko chako kede Express Express to producing Captain Express eno kwalo simbi tio tuko nambari yo the second team no bo UR dese mukwala Tuworo, the third team of the Vipers. Utikere Basa, utikere Bobosi, Aziz Kayondo, Tina national team, international squad, me Uganda. KCCA captain, KCCA deputy captain, Charles Lukwago, Julius Poloto, Dushuworo, Brian Anokani da Woro. Police, ubero namba bira, Bisha Labiro, Derek Kakoza Woro. So an team is a very complete team to Bora. Derek Watambala tuhuna international cup with Uganda AFCON qualifiers.
Okay.
So I know to Hamawar no to Hameti proven, tried and tested it to Bora.
Alexander.
ya tia winya mabe
Adu bori my weight lifter. Absentee weight lifter me Olympics.
Gimatie wana kana ke football tika chele wabi penye sara wetu ko chake.
Yin ko don Alexander. Okay, wa ko nganen ko in brief strength by Uganda tikwene kumbeti.
Ke Europa Uganda mataka kumbeti. Ana titie I midfield ke kan. Ana midfield ti mabe barka na no defense no be shake to toal I recent games maguchi arguturo. Alors au bureau que tu même attaque to comme le tour en magu bureau que tu connais. So bino midfield guerre petit marach to qui attaque et perd berti et puis le tour ka gen tika turba le tour ene foot under 23 what le tour above 23 years.
Yes.
Magibej magentiga league me Uganda.
Yes.
Tour me se kafa ger yes le tour en me Uganda ene ge cerga tour ento kayneno stars magi cerga wa ko ndi kete kano yuna sentamo moberu top scorer mo lo golden boot tour Uganda Premier League be tie itimpa Uganda no beru gina pa yes tiro loke and
so you know it ki lotin matine ki dropping for yunu sentamo.
Okay, gilmati pe balo check do to yuna sentamo donc ti waro international tour and furbo beru a landing point for Uganda. Malupe ke ala be check makero ene ento ke le tour ene pour ka tel commande bon le tour matique experience pour be berete ak le tour nemi timo gina be ka tel.
Wow.
Piani ke kawa go Saudi Arabia be ngayo ki donc ta go Tanzania neni.
Jalwe in Saudi Arabia mono tuan gweno no ti gange. Hey, tuan gweno pe ki go atata ki gange bajal. In be duo.
So Uganda pour be cerka no fon ki ko malala me check makero ne obiyele wa fudi.
But at the same time DRC Congo Beneti Kikobo, and I think it's the first time DRC Tika participating here.
Yeah, better invitational.
Better invitational, but DRC Beneti is Central Africa, so it is Council May East and Central. So kat DRC is better invitational. Maybe strength mat where wajani ni because league Kenyan league me Congo. In only league mega tech because Kenyan were AFCON performance making much as this time around Uganda or punishing them the other time more better 2019 AFCON. Itamani Gwamnyo maybe their league is a little bit stronger. Maybe Kumenko?
You can't tell about the level of the league. Manaramu here because league DRC law me wako would produce gino to CAF Champions League almost to haria deck tero gino to da duong na CAF Confederation itepo league wake Ligue Tanzania da law me wako eto tigina chela mamara about Ligue Uganda peluo otuku ameti loba wako maybe to here gina mara about Ligue Uganda producing original tuku organic me Uganda aye tuku Ligue Uganda so mano tuku wa ame wana tuke gikan Gavin Chizito obero starter AC Villa jodishungyo Salimu tukabere AC Villa jodishungyo Bobo Sichani Uganda Premier League I think any of midfielder bear lo Steven Serwada jodishungyo ngame series weda temikesie so tuku ni robo tuku wa otu ame wano grooming obutiki ni ke experience otu hogini fufa junior league under 17 karachel otu hogini fufa junior league under 19 karachel otu hogini under 20 woro gini na HAFCON ote hogi to finishing gini as the runners up so team atikira apapya ngeyo ngomi atikira game na duonga hata ikom team yene.
Okay, Bear, two gentlemen, two on Gwenarioni, one of us to 12. Mono opinion.
Sarah.
Yes.
We have made gina chel benefit interruption me league.
Just a little.
Yes, league me Uganda ki joro chon ki lockdown. And to league me Tanzania o medo chera ni minuti level me fitness paru tour magitiga aki league me Tanzania benetila mal ne kato ma megwa me Uganda. Piero tour wa be gang ki lockdown makekero.
Eyo.
No gitimo get a training pig kangi and to know timo training ka tel ki tour ma in tour ni level be yort komino in tiga gwa ko berim be ki tour ma no te go league. Ya meno birte logo wa ki diro be se kafa mana piero no ki meti kon Tanzania kon butir be league ma meggi.
Okay. But Alexander Okiri, mono get a time uche dong straight away story pa Olympics, but this time round otimitonen kong loka kwang new swimming. Uganda ticket 2 swimmers, that is Chirabo Namutsevi, the super lady herself. Aluan is super lady because tiki mwa hapara bichi elkene ento her performance at international level in Africa. I think Chirabo Namutebi anamita former mane Hadija Namanda no bere president migene me anangi Hadija through volleyball. But otemo tutual mene new supporting a tini. Challenges the swimmers were facing a pole tini unyora pol enatia meeting bills me grooming jom nyero kwang iwa i Uganda all swimmers ngo dano nyero expecting out of these two athletes mono Chirabo Namutebi Karachel kere Atuhaire.
So kita no ikobo kere ni mama mere yengo yo meeting bills no. So atia neno ni titu ame demanding performance angera chela me mono luani individual performance. Kuri tuko ni en polere yin ngo yin kerro me propel me mi to forward. Pere por kere dok tuko kene ba ucha clubs. Kadi clubs that ira kere independence tu kere wigi kengi. So Johnny me mama gi me ketu chene kome me mi yegora nyim mono wana po yo kama mere kero ko beningo nini meda timo. So atia ne nyaho ni Mohapara Bichel Olympics
16 years.
Tete keretie borwa Mohapara Bichel ti Olympics anyimere tia chill by the way anyima nyaho tia chill because kama
Chirabo Namutebi very brilliant
kama Mohapara Bichel itire wara Olympics by the time atunu Mohapira degnuti Olympics adi so atia neno ni anyimere chani poto bero chawa mere eti anyime by the gino kana about swimming obedo one of the first federations mecho alojo Olympics from Uganda.
Okay.
Gina mapua from Olympics.
Alexander.
Yes.
Chirabo Namutebi unuo gold medal at Africa Junior Championship obedo tie Tunisia. Due Mwahokaro idwe ma bongwen. And then of course making Uganda very successful regardless of challenges me infrastructure ma wanoti kere Uganda. Beating her personal best in continental events. Namutebi binu kere a lot of medals more bere kere kani menuongo a lot. So ngo maini tuwero kobo about Kwangi nyodi swimmer Chirabo Namutebi.
Eno no beru la turo matima be nyo lok turo Kwangi lebo kit mayini kero kere chunyi. Kino dong mero timo practice o jui irwa mal menena ne beru chokke pi kar wang. Tutwal le turo manan beru makituro mangara chela turo pira kene era yo la kuri turo ma pol kar maru ke la waga ma ditto ki lobo manoge maru turo ma chalo kite enoni.
Yes.
Mano premier dana ma dung tutwal pene kwang enoni yo beru turo ma be. Amaru kit banya enoni kero kuri chunya dok bene kay neno chero ka turo pole kero tagat ma mege ka dong bene tutte ma tek me enoni tiu were no gin ma enati ka chero ka turo pierne. Ma tigi gani ubutime wa gen ma be. Lokom kwang oberu gin mo mamero ni bier bit ki dioro irwa mala mal piana gin peke kwang mera ta jaru kita wan wa kwang mera riva gago kanya
Agago
gin mero dioro matek mapedok ni mero kono ta ko mo ento mero skills aye ko beri irwa mala mal makawo no ni uno Ministry of Sports omnano jimu ken ma chalo kwang gini bier ke chak promoting wa kagati kier ka turo Olympics kit ma ko beri kiti ka charieni no en la kuri sports maramu kele wa waga ma dit en eno barka nen ko beri outside Kampala sports facility be kwang tigulu kitiem bar keken but pole bu kerne weng dong tie within Kampala so gidmatie ke chak developing aberu maramo promoting sports machalo kwang gene beru sports mo mer amaro beru matak
Alexander because of time watiki athlete mukere makiluoni ambala atuhaire mabene tika representing Uganda of course representing Uganda in Finland mono i World Championships in Gwangju, South Korea in 2019, and then of course uberege tu habet twal having that invitation medok the wodo South Africa ugine Karachel Warikana zone swim camp but endang ticket experience aduong twal because was in so many international competitions keneno enna wobini atu haire uberiti ye and ngom ken mo twer medo Karachel ikom a wobini and what is your expectation ikom swimming
ya kaw dugo ne lok me kwang eroni anati ge gan ma dieto to legi morom kima potwa ma chalo lo Uganda piani atuare abirka lupo ton ma tutwal pikit ba antimo ko lok me kwang ma erbe la tour ma be donc tigi ngi ci lok me kwang pe kar ma laaj tutwal gin mamar enani lok me kwang pul kar kaw ya po neno ki tour me fiesa ma birute gulu family balu tour me kwang gen supporting lutino ge ma terra da
yes
ma pol le pegi jenge kono confederation pegi jenge kum gamante ento pol le
Ubero
support
tuko
aki
palo
pa
lonyo ka impe
Donc,
lonyo
bene-
tuko beru wa golf.
Golf.
yes East Africa Secondary School Games mo beru gulu pol lu turu kwanga wengu bino kilo nyurugi
Okay.
ma no supporter romala mal motivating lu turu eni menera ne gen ku ci ku turu romala mal bar olympics ne ki peka ye ki dano me wot ki family members ma meggi en kama donc peka bu ciago beru tienen ma nyur la turu ka ju yu nyu ki turu ki wonne ma no tiga nene mi yor ku ciak beru ki cuñ ma ter menera ne
I
ngati mo
think
ma
I've
no
already
tiga
been
ciak pe
prepared psychologically. Now, we're going to kill Akena. Akena tammi matok chene tiningo. Kom local Olympics to harioni. Tine ni our focus ubere kom kwan kene.
To hire
Swimming.
te wore Olympics by this time swimming ubero kere champion anyen. Ting atano swimming no joloni Michael Phelps.
Yes.
Michael Phelps retiring oko. So pangyo kama no robero ginora
Anti
mero.
ginti kere category papa. Ti jo kena water for freestyle. Jo mukene butterfly.
Butterfly,
Yes.
backstroke.
Backstroke.
So to hire wore Olympics kede chirabo.
Okay.
Kita mate neno kede man pot pobo chawawa as Uganda. Johnny te wod gene kama
Okay, our
exposure.
expectation in brief.
Expectation as Uganda party anena nyim tutwali swimming ikwang.
Alexander Okidi, expectation?
ya genda
In
ma
brief?
diet ni ya genda mertie ento pe diet tutoire le kum swimming
Okay.
rabia ne uruto waramati muno mabe ento pi kombedini wa wa kon ko bella diere
All right, fine. Bear wa foyo tutual, of course, one ngar mo beru star megwa nyo ngat mo rien tutual star of the day. En uberu en chemutai uberu la ring white ma en beneti Olympics kada ko binu with athletics every time maybe next week this time round ko biko lokom kom gene and then atemi toka chwal ko akwan ko messages a fans wa chwal gen messages ko ni an aberu Robert Keri Hoima Jalur Magwe ni a konye wachi wa kama Saddam Juma tiye kawoni and then team Zadi ma Northern Uganda tiye kode I big league Northern Uganda as in total utie ko team achiel that is Calvary FC and then Saddam Juma weko KCCA Football Club but the higher expectations near ebi chidi I Guinea Express Football Club however ebe penju million makado Pierre Bora then ma watch ni eni jadite nyinge Robert kudi hoima ma wanya en nyinge nia N4 yo barpa wanduo kul program itugo nia ene request nga makwa making analysis transfer speculation eni kisheke bebi binu wache maro program magwe Felix Parmu unique kodi imoroto wa foyo magwe magame foyo adong sara kujumu nge muti studio wa foyo Felix kodi moroto speculation wabimikiu akena la talk shenu tie
Ana wachika nen wan ulo wameda nino diri chawadi cha beach
yes cha bichu cha chiel
yeah chabita
pa
bino
one low extra
ya chabita bino cha kiro na cha beach and one
okay
for
you
the
check
cha
that kiwa dano what is that expectation Uganda Sunday watikere game adit
you under
Rugby, of
23
course.
chaka
Under 23 dangtie rugby
rugby
dangtie
so chabiti no bero kede chabita meti busy odugo kani cha kiro maybe
All right.
you back to back updates no
Alexander
yes
ichi one in a second
ya
My
ubero
weight
mi
lifter.
tutu kakar foy tutuan ubero mi tutuan minano uruto yop mi turo no chaka chabu wan duchu dano maginano wando TV mi yor pego keng le kom turo chin baraja wa chin bichi chawa eni no watika chel
Ber, and of course kudi banga kai kidong maka wa shukrani kabisa, asanteni sana kabisa kuona kipindi chetu ya sports kila ambaye naanza Monday up to Friday na Saturday pia tuko hapa. Jumusho ulopiwa glongri ya Melbet, wafoyo Melbet, ke mito timu betting pedi mapira tek, chid ku Melbet. Company munge, Melbet remote kai. Warombu kendu uruo chenga busiel sabich paka sawa busiel ibar pa one luo extra. Ma ejulongo one luo TV, but bar pa one luo. Bye-bye.
yup ma ibedo ka neno ne lekelia ye
Melbet, something you can bet on.